Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print your name, age and hobbies. So given the name that is of string type, given the age that is of type integer and given the hobbies that is of type string. So you have to print your name, age and hobbies. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this Python program. First, what we'll do is we'll try to ask a user to enter these three values and then try to print them. So let me take a variable that is name and use the input function call to ask a user to enter your name. So in the codes, so let's say enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be stored in this particular variable. So now let's take another variable that is of type integer. So let's take age and use the input function called to ask a user to enter age. So let's say enter your age. Yeah, so once the user enters the age, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert this string type to an integer type using the type conversion. Yeah, so let's use a type conversion integer function. So once we are done asking two input values from the user, that is name and age. So let us try to take another variable that is hobbies. So this is of type string. So let us try to ask a user to enter your hobbies. So let's again use input function call to ask a user to enter your hobbies. Yeah, so once the user enters the hobbies, so it will be of string type and stored it in this particular variable. Yeah, so these are the three input values that generally the program requires. So now let us try to print name, age and hobbies. So let us try to use a print function and let us try to use a string formatting. So let's say welcome and we have to print the name first. Let us try to print the name. So now let us try to print the age. So let's again use the print function and let's use the string formatting. So let's say your age is, let's use colon and inside the flower braces. So let us try to print the age. So similar ways, so let us try to use the print function and let us try to print your hobbies. So let's say your hobbies are, let's give colon and let us try to print the hobbies. So this is a variable that we are trying to print. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept name, age and hobbies. So you can also hard code these values instead of asking a user to enter. For example, let's say age is something like 12. So just give 12 instead of asking a user. So similar ways, so name, for example, if you want to hard code the name, so let's say Rakesh. So you can just hard code it something like this. So yeah, for understanding purpose, so I have asked a user to enter these three values. So now let us try to execute this program and let me show you how it works. So running the program, so enter your name. So let's say Rakesh. So enter your age. So let's give something like 15, just a random number. So enter your hobbies, just like reading books. This is a simple, this is reading books. Then listening music. And what else can be playing cricket. So these are some of the hobbies that I have given as a random values or random hobbies I have given. So this is of type string type. So just enter it. So you can see welcome Rajesh. So your age is 15 and your hobbies are reading books, listening music, and playing cricket. So this is a simple output that we can have. So you can just give your name, your age, and your hobbies like reading books, etc., coding, or playing online games, or something like playing chess or playing carom, or yeah. So these are the certain hobbies that you have generally, whatever you do during your free time. So closing this. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to ask a user to enter name, age, and hobbies, and then finally print it onto the standard output. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.